What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Indianapolis for NRAM 2023. This video is brought to you by our good friends over at Craft Holsters. We'll talk a little bit about them more here in a minute, but right now let's go inside the room. Let's look at some cool products and talk to some awesome people. What's going on, everybody? We're here at NRAM 2023 at our good friends Black Rain Ordnance. We got Julia here. We're going to talk some fusion rifles here, but they've got some really cool FX Cerakoting jobs. I want to have Julia here talk about some of this. One is pretty cool. It changes colors. I don't know if you can see that yet, but you will here in a minute.
Yeah, so this is really awesome. We just started doing this. Basically, we have the FX finish. If you look closely, it kind of reminds you of Hot Wheels when you were a kid. That's what I'm getting nostalgic flashbacks for sure. But we start with the base Cerakote, and then you have the FX finishing and put over it. And then there's so many different variations. The possibilities are endless of the color, but you look closely, it's kind of got a glisten. There's, depending on the combination, some of them, they turn multiple different colors. This one you can just see, even here, just it kind of changes a little bit. There's some we have that as you're walking by, you get like 3 or 4 different colors. So it's pretty neat, it's unique. We love doing this stuff, man, bringing you new cool items and keeping the quality, but also keeping it fresh with the style and the design, so.
This model, guys, is the Don't Tread on America. Is that correct?
Yes, don't
check this. And this is all done. You guys do this all in-house, correct?
Yes,
the laser cut, the Cerakote, everything's all in-house?
Yeah. What I love about it, so if you look at any of our parts that we manufacture, you're going to see the Black Rain Ordnance logo. That's because we take ownership of it. We're proud of the fact that we assemble and create and make a quality rifle here, American sourced, American made. And so anytime you see that little logo, that means we made that in-house and we take ownership of it. But that being said, we have 2 of our best-seller guns. We have the Gadsden meets the Patriot, and so you'll see we have the Gadsden and the American flag combined together here on this rifle. So it's pretty neat. Again, doing cool things over here at Black Rain.
Before we continue the video, we do want to send a special shout out once again to Craft Holsters for travel considerations. Craft Holsters have chosen the best holster makers who have decades of experience in leather making and use the finest Italian leather and German threads. Each and every one of Craft Holsters has its own stories. Some of the holsters are for concealed carry, some of them are to protect your loved ones and your property. Law enforcement uses them. They make range holsters. If you're going to put your trust in traditional craftsmanship with a little bit of modern touch, the best materials, and the skilled hands of craftsmen, you got to start with Craft. Go to their website, craftholsters.com. They have an enormous list of manufacturers and gun models. They've got a custom leather holster for basically everything you need.
And then the Betsy Ross version, is that correct?
Yeah, so this is the FX Betsy Ross. So I just showed you guys one of the variations. This is more of a matte finish. You can see it's not as shiny, but I personally, I love it because that combining the black with that matte FX, you get this finish, not as shiny, but definitely still got that kind of shimmer. So it's pretty neat. But yes, so many variations.
Yeah, and there's a whole rack over here. We've got every rifle that Black Rain does is something special. It's almost like one-off. Anything that you get, you're not going to find it anywhere else, whether it's the rifle or the Cerakote jobs. You can check out Black Rain. They've got amazing jobs. Now, can you guys, if someone goes into the website and they want to customize right there on their website, do they have options that they can do different customizations?
We're looking at making that a one-stop shop at some point soon. But right now, I will say that contact us. What I love about us, we're doing big company work, but we also have a small company touch. So that means talk to any one of us. Chances are coming out here, what I love is you have a great chance of talking to the production manager. Might be the guy out here, but he's the guy that makes your rifle.
Exactly.
And, you know, it's the president, our vice president. We do it as a team. We have our warranty guy out here. We have less than 1% RMA rate, which I'm proud to stand behind, and a lifelong warranty. So as long as you and your gun are alive, you are covered. But that being said, I love that you can talk to any one of us, and the guy that builds your gun is also the guy out here at the show. And that's the small town feel that we like to provide.
It is. Missouri-based company. It is the Show Me State. They're showing you a lot of great products. Julie, thank you so much for the time. Guys, go check out Black Rain. We'll see you soon. Semper Fi.